During a creative block, the human brain falls into repetitive neurological loops, returning to the same associations and failing to find an exit. Psychologists use a proven cognitive technique to shatter those loops, called lateral thinking. This diagram shows how lateral thinking operates. By forcing your brain to link completely unrelated concepts, you physically forge new neural pathways. Injecting randomized vocabulary into a brainstorm provides the specific conceptual tension needed to trigger this neural expansion. But there is a mechanical problem. Digging through a physical dictionary or running manual internet searches introduces heavy friction, slowing the momentum required for rapid word associations. That is why Prime Tool Hub built the free random word generator. It operates as a high-speed, frictionless engine explicitly designed to facilitate this exact mental exercise. Overcoming the blank page is a structural challenge that you solve by systematically injecting random data into your creative process. Effective brainstorming requires structural control. You need to start by isolating the foundational building blocks of language, which means focusing strictly on nouns. Setting the tool to filter exclusively for random nouns provides you with concrete objects. If you are developing a new product name or setting up a drawing game, you need tangible things, not abstract concepts. But narrative requires motion. To drive a story forward, you need verbs. Isolating these action words is a critical workflow for ESL instructors. ESL stands for English as a Second Language, and teachers use these specific verb lists to build dynamic language exercises and flashcards for their students. Next is the adjective picker. Marketers use this filter to discover compelling ways to describe products, avoiding overused corporate jargon like synergistic. You can also apply precision character length filters to these words, defining strict minimum and maximum letter counts. Setting an exact 5-letter length, for example, gives you immediate solutions for logic puzzles, crosswords, and daily word games. You then dictate the format. You can render the output as a clean vertical list for a spreadsheet, or a horizontal comma-separated string for easy copying and pasting. Combining grammatical targeting with precision formatting provides a structured linguistic framework for complex creative workflows. This diagram illustrates a massive technical difference. Standard internet utilities rely on slow external API calls that log user data on distant servers. An API is a software bridge that allows two applications to talk to each other over a network. The Prime Tool Hub generator bypasses this and operates entirely offline. The tool is powered by a highly compressed lexical array that embeds directly into your local browser's RAM. RAM is the temporary, high-speed working memory of your device. Processing the dictionary locally eliminates server latency entirely. The generated lists appear with zero network lag. Behind the scenes, the tool utilizes a native JavaScript PRNG algorithm to guarantee true mathematical unpredictability. A PRNG is a pseudo-random number generator that calculates precise index points to prevent the same words from repeating. This combination of mathematical randomness and zero data logging satisfies the strict requirements of cybersecurity experts. Security professionals use this to execute the diceware methodology. Diceware is a security practice where you generate an unbreakable passphrase by linking a string of entirely unrelated random words. The 100% offline architecture delivers speed, but more importantly, it enforces a security mandate. The moment you close the browser tab, your data and your passphrases cease to exist. Creative writers use these lists to break through suffocating mental blocks. Educators rely on the precision filters to design kinetic classroom exercises. Security professionals use the randomization algorithm to draft mathematically secure passphrases. Across all these professions, the unifying thread is the universal need for frictionless, instant access to customized vocabulary. Prime Tool Hub provides the high-speed linguistic engine required for these professional environments. Stop waiting on slow servers and break your creative blocks today. Hit the link below to visit Prime Tool Hub and run the Random Word Generator Pro entirely for free.